Day 125. We just climbed up Liberty Springs Mountain. We're up here on the ridge. And we're now on Franconia Ridge. You hear about this a lot. And yeah, we're glad to be here. If you headed this way over here to the right, which is to the south, you'd be going to go see a view of the town of Lincoln. There's a bluff that sits over town, but we got places to go today, so we're just gonna take this Franconia Ridge Trail, which has a lot of, it's a renowned trail. Anyway, we zeroed yesterday, and while we were zeroing, it rained for just under 24 hours, probably 23 hours. So it's always nice to miss a big rainstorm. We didn't have to camp in it. And I mean, it rained all night, straight through the day. Anyway, we'll see how far we can make it today. We were only planning for around 10 miles, but we might not even make it that far. These mountains have been challenging. They've been steep. The ups and downs have been really rocky. So rocky that you can't carry a camera, and they're kind of dangerous. So you got to be kind of focused on what you're doing and manage your energy levels too, because you don't want to get a case of you don't want to get tired, I guess, while you're going along. And as you can see, I'm actually a little tired, and we just kind of got on trail, so I'm going to get back to it. Again, 125 Appalachian Trail northbound. That's Nibbles up ahead, and this is Radar doing our daily update. And always worth mentioning, we're so fortunate and happy and feel blessed to be out here. So just having a good day. And the whites are we're in the White Mountain Range right now of New Hampshire, and they are spectacular. So hopefully we can show you some more.
How far is that other hut? Not the one that's not ultra long on trail. That one.
8.5. We'd have to go up and down Garfield, and then halfway up Galehead.
That's pretty fucking ambitious.
Oh, to get there today?
I had it on my long distance plan, but
Holy shit! Yeah, you are. That's severely ambitious.
Started a little late, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, given that it's 1 o'clock right now,
Yeah.
we're moving at every bit of 1 mile per hour. Maybe like 1 1/4.
So that's the town of Lincoln down there.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah,
I
Interstate
see this little red.
Interstate 93, right?
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome.
Flapjacks.
Yep,
So there's flapjacks.
Wait, they're not open.
Wait, they're not. There's no line.
They're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays.
So I guess we started off that knob right there, right? Right in front of us. Kind of. We didn't go all the way up there, but we started short of that from when we got to the top of the ridge.
Yeah.
Not sure if you could see nibbles on top of that other peak over there, right between those two cairns. She's moving a little bit, whoa, faster because it's cold. It's like 55 degrees up here right now with the wind. My thermometer says 60. The wind's probably blowing 10 to 15. Just a big old dramatic range of mountains. There's Mount Washington way out there, socked in. That's where we'll be in 35 miles, a couple more days. Today we're really only going 10 miles, if even that. We're gonna try to get over this peak right here today. We've got to go down. There's a pond down here. That's Garfield Peak, and then on the backside of Garfield, there's a place for us to camp. But we'll see how it is. There's a campsite down here in this valley. We're gonna check that out first and just see how we feel. It's about 2.5 miles from where we are right now. So anyway, check in on that in a little bit. Here's Franconia Ridge, where we just were. We just hit all those high spots. And like I said, we came down through this valley. So we were up there. There's the sound effects. And then we came down. The pond was right over here. And then we just came up this. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm gonna go up on this platform. Juice. When water comes out of a rock like this, it's typically ice cold. My favorite water to drink. Yeah, I had to stuff that little rock there just to get a little pressure underneath it so I can just stick this thing here and get myself a little sip. This is the Katadyne BeFree 0.6 liter system. And it's awesome. It's very few parts, cleans really easy. It doesn't take a lot of pressure to squeeze. You can see I just filled it up. I'm not going to drink that much. I don't want to carry too much. Fill it up 0.4 liters. This is the filter. See how white it is? I keep it clean. I'm not like a lot of these people who let theirs get all stuffed up. All you got to do is fill this thing up and then shake it really hard, and it cleans all the dirt out. And then I'll rinse this underneath high pressure water once in a while, and you get really good flow. And people say they break the bags on these. It's because they don't clean their filter. Like watch. Like look how much pressure there is. And I've had this thing for, I got it like 200 miles and it's 1,800 miles now. So it's not, I don't know how people break their bags. They're just not thinking too hard and they're not cleaning their stuff. But anyway, yeah, I like it. And then that little bit right there, I'll just put that in my backpack. A lot of times, you can see it just goes in this pocket right here. A lot of times if you have it full, it stays in the pocket really well. I keep my other water bottle over here, which is also, I don't know if you can see that. It's just a 0.6 liter smart water bottle. And a lot of times I'll just move all the water in there. But this isn't as cold as that other bottle because I just got this out of the side of the mountain. Or I just got the Katadyne water out of the side of the mountain. So it's ice cold. It's like drinking water out of a refrigerated water fountain. And we're going to just get back into this descent off Mount Garfield. We got 0.2 miles and we'll be to the campground. You can hear somebody's dog. That means we're close. I could be like a bear too. I don't know. Bears bark. People don't know that. But they do. Because we've heard them bark and we've seen them bark.
I got that LTE.
Ding.